Hi, my name is Aditya K. I am from Bangalore itself. I completed my BE from JSS Academy of Technical Education, Bangalore, in the field of electronics and communication engineering. I wanted to explore something with respect to electronics itself. So I researched on Google. So when I researched about Emertxe is when I found out this is where I can start off my career. College is just theory experience and there's no much learning there. But at Emertxe, learning theory with hands-on experience does a lot of difference in the real world industry. So it makes a lot of difference. Doing more projects and assignments will help in the future. I completed totally 9 projects. So they asked more about projects itself. So it's not only just about completing the projects, knowing what is done in the project makes a key difference. Totally, I have attended 2 interviews. One was Harman and one was LG. So the first interview was Harman, where I've gotten placed. So they asked me more about what I have done throughout my course and how well I understood the concepts and how well I can implement. I enjoyed this process throughout. Overall, it was a good experience for me. It's just not learning, we should enjoy the process, so that is what matters end of the day. Never lose hope, because I had failed first attempt of PT and I used to get zeros in my written test. So that should not be your disappointment, but you should take that as a challenge and move on.
My name is Shweta and I am from Belgaum. I have completed my BE in Electronics and Communication from Angli Institute of Technology and Management, Belgaum. In the year of 2025, I got passed out with the CGPA of 8.5. During my academic year, I have completed some projects on the IoT. So that's how I got interested in the embedded system. And some of my friends got switched to IT field also. But I stick to the embedded field because I loved it. In my college, I only learned about the theory. I don't know how they are implementing it in the internally and all. In Emertxe, I got to know in detail. Suppose if I take a printf function in the C module, here we will learn how it is actually working in the background. In the college, I didn't learn this all. The projects are really very important. I have completed 10 projects in the Emertxe, and then actually these projects helped me to develop my skills in the embedded system. This is my first company I applied, and I got placed in the first attempt only. Actually, I gave the mock interview in Emertxe. Actually, that helped me to get placed in my first attempt only. My journey at Emertxe, it was good. All mentors were supportive, and they also helped me to get placed. I will suggest them to take a mock interview and then keep your confidence high.
Hi everyone, I am Raghavendra Ranganavar. I am from Mudal, Karnataka. I am graduated in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from NMIM IT NITTE, Udupi. After my graduation, I have done internship at New Technology, and after that I came to know about Emertxe. So I plan to continue my career with embedded system since my background is electrical and electronics engineering, so that will match with my interesting field. So I choose Emertxe to enhance my skill in embedded domain. At Emertxe, it's completely based on practical knowledge, whereas in our college, we used to focus mainly on the theory part and the exams. But here we learn things and implemented simultaneously. That will help us a lot to learn about the more things. Assignments are it will make you to improve your skills in all theory parts, whereas the project will help you to, it will test your confidence, how good at your coding and how you are good at problem solving skills. I have completed total 10 projects. Those projects helped me to get placed, and those projects also gave me confidence in getting placed. This is my second company. In this company, I have selected in first attempt only. When I came to Emertxe, it was totally learning environment, and all mentors are helpful. So this environment helped me to learn more things about the embedded systems, microcontrollers, communication protocols. I would say that don't lose hope, keep on working and trust yourself. It will very helpful for your placement.